Most Christians have this bad excuse or excuses. I'm only human. That's why I cannot overcome sin. Excuse me. You have a new nature. Yes, I'm in my body. But God tells me when I come to Jesus, I have a new nature. Nature dictates appetite. Friends, if you have family members, friends, who are claiming to be Christians, but there is no transformation, that is not a true Christian. How can you have a new nature without transformation? Do you understand? A new nature, new life will grow. Growing in Christ is not always immediate, but you will be transformed. New nature, new appetite, new desire. If you have no desire for Bible study, no desire for worship, no desire to put God first, no desire to make God happy, you have to examine yourself. Do I really know Jesus? Am I really born again?